Good afternoon, everyone. It is my pleasure.
My respect to our commencement speaker, Ma'am Chani. As we call her sa piso, Chanitis, pero karon kabalo ko Zanites, girayang name. So I call her Zanites from now on. Ma'am Zanites, good afternoon, ma'am. To Honorable Abdul Karim, sir, may hapon, sir. Of course, to our visitors, Honorable Lulo and Honorable Kibo, may hapon. Sa ato ang parents, maayong hapon mga ginikanan. Sa ato ang teachers, of course, good afternoon to our completers and graduates. O sa tanang bisita karong hapon, maayong hapon. So today marks a significant event to the lives not just of our graduates, completers, and parents, but also to us teachers. Miskan giulanta, gibaha ka, and miskan our hearts are full of frustration because this day is very awaited for us. Gipreparahan sa mga maestra, gipulawan, miskan gabi dako nag-discuss unsay maayo para sa program, pero dili man nato control ang panahon. So maayo lang kung dispensa kung nabasa ang atong mga ginikanan, ang atong